Hey guys, Dan with Ninjacators here, back again for another market profiling session to round out September here as we close on the 29th and to close out the week as well. So before we get into the day's action, let's look at next week's the second to kick off October. A whole host of red bullets to start the month off, including the big one, NFP, here on Friday, non-farm payroll. A lot of these other ones are fairly unpredictable. Could have large impact, large volatility, low volatility. We don't really know. Some of them do better than others. Fed Chairman Powell speaking on Monday at 10. And then just a whole bunch of other stuff to navigate. Unemployment ISM. And the unemployment rates coming in on Friday as well. So quite a bit to navigate here, but let's go through the year and just kind of navigate where we are. Okay, so here's the monthly chart. Each candle here is worth a month's worth of price action. So we started the year here on this candle right here in January, and we opened up the year at 4,023.50, we'll call it. And we've rode all the way up here in February, March. We rode all the way up here, and now we've pulled back to this trend line. As you see, these bottom, this blue diagonal line here is the yearly trend line that we are on. We have pulled back almost to the edge of it here to see, going into October, we're for surely going to make an attempt to test this trend line and see if it can hold. I thought it was worth pointing out that we are at a decision point for the going into the fourth quarter. All right, so let's flip over to our chart here. And a familiar one that we looked at here, the week's action, self-admittedly was a difficult week to navigate the price action. Monday, you had a bullish close, followed by Tuesday's plunge off the earth, thanks to Jerome Powell speaking. And then Wednesday, you had sort of an indecision day, followed by Thursday's indecision day, followed by Friday's indecision day. So we've got three indecision days that have higher highs and higher lows that failed to get back up to the week's high, which tells me there's a possibility we could rotate back down if we don't clear this high right here at 43.55. So let's go to the market profile on the day. So as the day began, we had nice bullish action continuing up through the Asian session here until we got to the London session, which jolted it back up. And then we had the 7:30 news item that launched us up even further, plunged us into Thursday's daily range. And then shortly thereafter, we had a nice fake out breakout here. And then we plunged back down into Thursday's range and then closed with some covering action at the end of the day, with the most volume going off towards the bottom end of the price range on the day for a double distribution day to close out the month. Where are we headed for next month and next week? Don't know yet. It looks like we could potentially be rotating down. It's going to take a hard close up above 43.57, or a hard push, and then another hard push, and then another hard push. It's really an uphill battle to break this downtrend here. We're building a little bit of a base here sideways. If that carries on and we can break out, or we're going to rotate and continue on down and go and test this trend line that we just spoke about. More to come next week. We've got a lot of action on the books. So hope that helps. Good luck. Happy trading.